Hey guys, so there's some amazing new brands on Myntra and I really wanted to try some of the products. So here is my Myntra haul. We all know how coconut oil and shea butter are one of the best sources of physical nourishment for hair and skin both. And that's why I picked up Marc Anthony's hydrating shampoo and leave-in treatment. I got myself Touch Beauty's electric manicure and pedicure kit, which can help you give well-groomed nails at just the press of a button. We all love face masks, and I found two new brands that I wanted to try this time, Leaders and Ends Closet. I picked Leaders in Solution Yellow Energy Coconut Bio Mask with Orange and Leaders Step Solution Melatox, which has absorptive powers of charcoal which removes impurities. So that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed watching my haul, and if you want to order any of these products, then check out Myntra app and order online.